Well, hello everybody, this is a Get Ready With Me. Back in the day I really used my foundation to conceal out anything, really. But these days I kind of more see it as a filter. So I'm cool with my... Was heißt Sommersprossen auf Englisch? Freckles. Freckles. So I'm cool with my freckles to come through and, you know, be seen, be visible. So what I'm gonna do now is a little bit of powder, fixing all the liquids by putting some powder on it so it stays, in the best case, till you take it off. My face does look a little bit pale, but that's okay. I will then go in with some bronzer and powders to, you know, bring some life on my face. Okay. So yes, I'm going in with this red L'Oreal Paris lipstick. Do I want to do it like this? Or? Yeah, and I'm just basically sketching out the shape that I want. And these days I'm really much into, it's kind of somewhat of 60, to leave the lid quite plain and work around the rest. You see, I mean, I do my makeup as I go. It just happens. It just happens. So this was just a highlight version of the video. If you want to see the whole thing, just head over to wursttv.com. This is my streaming platform. There are now approximately 170 videos and counting. And yeah, just have a look and have some fun.